Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir.
So my name is Peter Atsu Amenyo. I'm an architect by profession, and I've done my PMP and facilities management. And currently, I've graduated with an MBA, an Executive MBA in project management with Eaton. Well, professionally, Eaton Business School has helped me to understand practical project management systems and the way internationally it is being practiced. Eaton offered opportunity where we have other nationals who could share ideas, knowledge-based, based on hands-on approach, strategies with how projects are being managed, and which for me presented me with a broader spectrum of how projects can be managed. And I'm so grateful for Eaton for that. Online education, there's a lot of posters that comes on Facebook about online education. So I was entertaining a lot of fear in applying to Eaton. But having experienced Eaton and how engaging they were throughout the studies, I will say again and again, Eaton is a great way to success. Join it.